अगीशाद्य सुमनसः सर्वार्थानामुपक्रमे यन्नत्वा कृतकृत्यासु तं नमामि गजाननम्। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। पद्मपत्रविशालाक्षी पद्मकेसरवर्णिनी नित्यं पद्मालया देवी सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती पूर्णेन्दुबिम्बानना। Dear friends, I come to you once again with my series on what they don't tell you. All the people who give pravachan on TV or in public platforms, on public platforms, or even privately, I have seen many. None of the either Hindi channels or other channels. I have seen Telugu and Hindi. I do not know about other language channels because I do not know those languages. They don't tell you some important aspects of ancient dharma, Sanatana dharma. I came to you with two videos on this series. One, I told you about what is the real book of Hinduism, dispelling the misconception that Bhagavad Gita is the main religious book. No, it is Manusmriti. I gave a video on that. Second, on the most important aspect of Bhagavad Gita, which is not touched by any pravachanakar, including Maharishis, high profile people, I gave that, and that's about caste and the importance of caste and the question that Krishna did not answer. In this, I would like to talk to you about the speciality, the uniqueness of the avatar of Rama. Everybody says Rama is a great person. He was born as a human being and he showed us how an ideal human being to live. That's not much. Maybe much. But that is not what separates Rama from other avatars. There are 21 avatars of Lord Vishnu in all. But Rama avatar has a speciality. And what is that speciality? That speciality is when Rama ended the avatar and went back to his abode, he has taken all his devotees along with him. In no other avatar this happened. In Matsya avatar, he safeguarded the important people and left. In Kurma avatar, he held up the Mandhara mountain and left. In Varaha avatar, he uplifted the earth from the waters, killed Hiranyaksha and left. In Narsimha avatar, he killed Hiranyakashipa, safeguarded Prahlad and went. In Vamana avatar, he took back paradise from Bali and gave it to Indra and left. In Parashurama avatar, he made the earth free of Kshatriyas and remained. He is a Chiranjeevi, he is eternally living, he lives on. In Krishna avatar, he reduced the burden of earth by eliminating a big population and made the earth free of all the people and spawned the Kali Yuga, and he left all alone. He went to a forest and died there. He died there. He did not take anybody else. In other avatars also he did not uplift anybody. In Rama avatar, when Rama was ending the avatar, the Vanaras, the Rakshasas of Vibhishana, and the citizens of Ayodhya, they all came to him one by one and they said, "Without you on the earth, we don't wish to live, we will come with you." He said, "Yes, do come with me. He left only a few people back there among his followers. Hanuman, he said, you stay on earth and propagate my history. And he asked Vibhishana, you also remain. You propagate dharma in Lanka. He also asked Mainda and Dvivida to remain back, and also Jambavanta to remain back. Barring these 5 people, he took all the people along with him. They all went to paradise and they stayed there for some time, and then the creator Brahma sent them to whatever worlds they deserve to go based on their karma here. But initially, they all went to paradise, taken there personally by Rama. When Rama was entering the waters of Saryu to end the avatar and go back to his abode, all the people came along with him. All the people entered Saryu. Lord Brahma came there. And so also the aeroplanes from the paradise came there to collect all these people. All the people, Vanaras, Rakshasas, and human beings from Ayodhya went there. This is all recorded in Uttar Ramayana. One sloka tells that the Ayodhya was empty of not only human beings but also animals and also reptiles and insects. Nochvasat tatadodhyayam susukshmamapi drishyate tiryagyo nigataschyapi sarve rama manurata. Susukshmamapi, even the invisible insects did not remain in Ayodhya. Tiryagyoni, the forms of life having a horizontal spine. The spine is horizontal to the earth. 4-legged ones, 6-legged ones, all 100-legged ones. All. Nochvasat. Nobody lived. Tadadodhyayam. Sarve Rama Manuvrata. All people followed Rama. And after the ending of Ramavatar, Ayodhya remained empty for some time. What happened to Kusha and Lava? Kusha was made the king of Kushavati as his capital, and Lava was made the king of Vidisha. This Vidisha may not be the Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh because Uttar Ramayana mentions the Vidisha is to the north of Ayodhya, which cannot be the present day Madhya Pradesh Vidisha. And after Rama, 60 generations ruled India. And where is it recorded? It is recorded in the Bhagavata Mahapurana. Has anybody told you this to you, friends? I am telling you. Now, it is no more a secret. It is never a secret. Only thing is people are not talking about. Now you know. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतपर्जन्या पृथ्वी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितो ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः पुत्राः पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः धनाः सधनाः सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदां शतम्. Till my next video, friends, I take leave of you.